Today's story is On the Boat, The Sound of the Long O by Cynthia Amoroso. It's fun to play with boats. Can you see the boat? Which colors does this boat have? Yes, I can see yellow, red, blue, and white. I wear a coat when I play with boats. Can you see the coat? What color is the coat? Yes, it's yellow and black. Good job. Let's play a little joke. Can you see the boy laughing? Very funny. I can put a goat on a boat. That's funny. Can you see the goat? Yes. Can you see the boat? Yes. What color is the boat? That's right, it's green. A goat on a boat? Oh no! Can you see the girl? She is excited. A goat cannot go on this boat. The goat is not supposed to be here. I can put a toad on a boat. Do you see the toad? Yes, very nice toad. And what color is the toad? Yes, he's green. A toad on a boat? Oh no! A toad cannot go on this boat. That is a funny joke. Can you see the boy laughing? Yes, the joke is very funny. Don't forget the words that we learned today. They are boat, coat, go, goat, joke, no, oh, and toad. All right, guys, you've done a very good job. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.